Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons, and once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the controls menu. And here you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this bell icon. This is the silent mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, and also the bell will be crossed by the line. This means that the mode is enabled and your watch won't make any sound at this point. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. So that's how you enable the silent mode. And to disable it, simply open the controls menu again, tap on the icon will go back to the gray color, which means that the silent mode is disabled, and now your watch will make sounds. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.